Hello and welcome to Investinbulls. Last week, if you remember, we shared a strategy where you can predict SPY weekly range by using the square root and VIX. And as we agreed last week, this week I'm going to share you the strategy where you can predict SPY prices on an intraday basis. So let's take the example. This is the sheet and the back testing which I did for SPY on intraday. For SPY intraday, what you need to do is you need to take the value which is 15.49. And as you can see over here, the value which you need over here, that value has to be, let me use the pen 1 second. Okay, over here. So you at 9:30 in the morning, the same like old strategy on the weekly, you have to open the VIX and you need to basically note down what is the VIX value. Then once you have the VIX value, you need to basically take the VIX value. In this particular case, it is 20.83, and then you need to divide by 15.49. Once you do that, you are going to get a value which is 1.34 in this particular case, and this is the value which is your prediction that whatever the price SPY is going to open. In this particular case, it is 408.77. Then from 408.77, the price can either go 1.34% up or 1.34% down. So that gives you the range of intraday that in this particular day SPY can move within 403.27 to 414.27. And as you can see, on the same day SPY was moving within the range of 410 and it got 410 to 404. The same way you can look around over here. On December 7th, the VIX value was 22.32 and the SPY got open at 392.94. That gives you the range that SPY can move in between 398.60 to 3.387. And the same day you can see the SPY was within the range of 395 and 391. So how do you basically use this strategy on the intraday? So let's take an example for today. Today is January 4th. VIX was open at 2293 and S&P was open at 383.18. I know that at 9:30 a.m. in the morning itself that S&P can move in between 388.85 and 377. Today SPY was open gap up, and once it opened the gap up, as soon as I saw the first red candle, I was expecting the price can go down, and the reason for that was because there was a couple of events today. There was an FOMC meeting, there was job data which was supposed to come, CPI data was supposed to come, and I was expecting that market may go bearish at some point of time. So as soon as I saw the red candle and the fall, the price was that particular time was 384.85. At this particular time when I saw the red candle, I tried to take a short position and I already knew the price can go up to 380. And when I know that the price is already $2 up, instead of taking exactly at the bottom, what I need to do is wherever the price is, I need to take that particular number and I need to take the lower range, which is 377.51. So I know that already approximately $8 is the gap at this point of time, which S&P can go down. So what I did is I took a target of $4, which was from 384. I was expecting the price to go at approximately 380.85, and that was my first target for my short positions. And as you can see, the price went to $380, and I could able to book almost like $200 per contract on my option contracts which I took this morning. This is how you can play the positions whenever you know what trend is. For example, on other day the trend was on the long side and the price was in the between. Then I basically took the current price at that particular time and the higher price, and I took the target middle of the target of that particular day, and I made almost $70 per option contract. That's how normally I play using this strategy. The another option for using this strategy, if you have capital, and you can play sideways strategies, something like iron condor, iron fly, or those kind of thing. Definitely on those strategies the profits are very restricted, but the probability of winning is quite high because SPY get expire on every alternative day. So you can always place those kind of strategy if you have capital and the margin account. With this, I'm going to sign off today, and I hope you like this strategy. Please leave comment and let us know if this strategy is helping you in your trading.